Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mena Chocolat, and to the new followers, hey, welcome. So today's Saturday the 14th of August and we have officially started the birthday weekend and the birthday vlog. However, as birthday weekends commence, it's not started the best. I've got belly troubles. I've got fucking belly troubles. My best friend's got belly troubles. Everyone's got belly troubles. It's so bad. But my hairstylist was like, babe, just like, she's like, get the green tea and water, orange juice, you'll be fine. I said, it's good though, because like, you know, if you clean your stomach, it's good for like later when you wear your dress, it's gonna be snatched. And I was like, true. So maybe it is the best of beginnings for the birthday. But right now I'm gonna go and make myself a scorching hot green fucking tea and then just chill out for a bit and then head on to the salon. So I'm heading to one of my very good friends, Russia salon. It's called Le Poupée Elegant, which translated is the elegant doll, and they are set up basically near Stratford, and it's a new salon that they started, so they're still looking for like staff. So guys, make sure you guys hit them up. I'll put all their details and contact details of their Instagram, their social media, all into the bio. And then of course as well clients. So I'm going to be taking you guys on the journey towards me getting my hair done, and I'm going to show you guys the whole salon, but I'm actually going to do a separate hair install video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that so you guys can see the magic unfold and how the whole process kind of goes. But I will do a beautiful tour of the salon so you guys can see it. And then you guys can see me getting ready for my birthday. Should I tell you what I use in store for today? Nah, you guys can just come with. But today is guaranteed mega fun. After I get my hair installed, we'll then see the errands that is left to do. And then later on, we're heading to Barrier Shoreditch. And we've got a table up there. And then... Okay, enough. I'm talking too much. I need to go get my green tea. Let's go. Ooh, the light is looking scrumptious. Okay, cool, so I'm ready. I'm putting myself out. I don't care. I'm literally going to get my hands on it in a minute. The shine I have on me today. Woo! It's fantastic today. So I'm currently on my way. I need to get my scarf on and my trainers at Adidas Originals. I'll be showing you a full view profile of it at the salon. I'm really excited. Oh gosh, my hair is, oh my god, I literally cannot wait. What's it called? I would have put it on this vlog, but I just feel like some people don't want to watch their hair and stuff, you know? So I just thought it'd be best, and it's more content. So I'm going to do a separate installation, but I'll be definitely putting in the tour of the place. And so then that way people that watch the hair install can also come into this vlog to see it. Oh my god, I don't know if it's just because it's the glow of my birthday. I don't know if it's the sun, the water I drank today. I feel immaculate. There she is! Hey! Hey, baby! Oh, hey, baby girl! Oh! Yeah. So this is the full outfit. Top misguided, legging. See the contour? Pretty little thing. Adidas Originals. But yeah, so let me give you guys the tour, and then obviously the separate video for the hair and stuff. So we have the nail section here, the mirrors, the seats, the CEO, one of the two. We've got more of the waiting area here, just more of the mirror. And as you go here, this is where you're going to dry your hair and stuff. Step only. We ain't going there. Then we've got the beautiful photography area. I mean, guys, come on. How beautiful is this? Ah, I'm so excited. And then here we have the back section where there's massage chairs for the pedicures. Oh my God. And then where we can wash the hairs and stuff. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna put all the details in below for this beautiful salon that my sister fucking owns or whatever. This is it. Come on. Come on. Guys, regardless, this place is looking, ooh, I like my outfit today. But, guys, let's get into it. So, the next time you guys are going to see me is in my head, then. And we are done. My sister's lady or whatever. Look at her. Miss Peach. Miss Peach. Oh, legend. Ah. Y'all see that? Attention to detail, man. Attention to goddamn details. Okay. Let's get on to the next thing. Finally done. I couldn't even film getting ready because I was trying to be so quick. I'm a bit sweaty at the moment, but give a second. But this is a complete look. Oh my God, I'm here with Leanne. Hey guys. Yeah, look how gorgeous she looks. Wow. Ooh. So Rush is about to meet us, and now we're gonna be on our way. So see you in the taxi. Okay, I've been really fucking nervous. I don't know what it is. I just, I'm with my girls are here now, and I'm ready for the taxi. I'm ready for a drink. Hello, sweetie. Hi. Hi. Back again. You look so good. Guys. Yes, honey. We're on the way. We had to wear these damn ass masks because somebody won't wear a mask, man. However, we looking sexy under these goddamn masks, you see? Anyways, we're on our way to the restaurant. And we're looking all good and juicy. Look at all that. I'll see you guys in a bit when we're in the restaurant. Okay, cool. So this is the next day. My phone died yesterday, but I have got so much footage from Snap and everything. It was a really, really good night. I had so much fun. And then today, this had to be a change of plans because I booked an apartment but didn't see the policy. You have to be over the age of 25. On top of that, you have to have a £750 deposit. I was like, you know what? Fuck this. So we're gonna have to find an alternative, but we're still gonna dress up, still gonna take pictures. But currently, you guys, right? I don't know if you've heard of this place, but it's called Fat Bites. Let me look up. Oh, there's the lighting. It's called Fat Bites. Oh, I really do look good with this lighting. That's just my long hair ages. And let me just pick up the burger and you guys will see what I'm talking about. Look at that. Let me see if you guys can see it. Oh, do you see that? Oh. Mm. I'm hungover. So let me treat myself to a day burger from this Supreme. Ooh. Yesterday when I came back, I was so drunk I couldn't even like I'm not talking about my phone, I couldn't even bother to like film yesterday. But I ended up watching this documentary that's on Netflix. It's called Untold, Menace at the Palace. When I tell you, everyone needs to watch this. It's absolutely nuts. Like, it's probably the game that changed the way that NBA is and stuff like that. Like, I wouldn't say I'm like extremely into sports, but like I like to know like the context, like back stuff of like sports, like, you know, the rules, the mental health capacities, like the mental health capacity, fuck I mean, like the other side of the sports rather than the actual thing. Is more like the well-beings of the players, the like stuff that we don't get spoken about much about, like the health of the players, the mental being, all that type of stuff, or like, and just like I think I don't know how to explain it, but let's say for example, like when there was the Aaron Fernandez, I got really into that because I was like, I got to see sport in a complete different way and look at like the sides of sports that we don't see, like, because obviously everyone goes to sports because they enjoy but like it's a very violent sport and like there's no kind of aftercare after for the players, and I'm really interested in that side of sports. But anyways, it was really interesting to see because this is the first time that's ever been told from the player side, because obviously when they're under contract they can't say anything. So long story short, go freaking watch it because it's really, really good. But I'm gonna continue doing this burger. Oh, I'm gonna go right now. I need a drink. I'll be back when I'm ready.
12 o'clock midnight.
It's officially my birthday! It's midnight. I've officially become 24. Leanne's there. I don't know. I don't know what I thought. I feel like, oh, okay, cool. 24. It's been 24 years on this goddamn planet. And I just can't wait to see what's going to arise from it. I'm ready for the new challenges, the new like opportunities and everything. Like, I'm really ready to like smash out how my next couple of like years of my life is gonna look, and I'm just so excited to see everything just pan out. But yeah, 24. I will be back tomorrow when I'm on my way to a parent's house for a barbecue. Say hey, guys. This is so cool. So I'm at my parents' house. They've done look at these. Oh gosh, we're gonna have a barbecue and the weather is fantastic. I'm so excited. Look at me with my sister's antique blue light. Let me take this up real quick. So, just finished cooking a little something, and my mom is the one who smashed out the barbecue. So let me show you the whole thing. There's our parents, they're having the time of their lives. Look at all this amazing barbecue that my mom's whipped up. Ooh. Woo! Chef, what do you have to say, Chef? Chef, what do you have to say?
Let's just enjoy Christina's day and have fun.
Hey!
Okay.
You have to do it.
Hey, you again. You again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tina. Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Oh,
24. Do I blow it now? Do I blow? Make a wish, make a wish.
All the best for everything.
Yeah!
Turn around.
The vibe is to glow and grow. If it doesn't help you glow or grow, thou shalt let it go.